Welcome, knowledge seekers, to the JKSSB Exam Special YouTube channel. This platform is dedicated to aiding and enlightening all those preparing for the Jammu and Kashmir Services Selection Board examinations. Here, we break down complex topics, present them in a digestible format, and help you prepare effectively for your upcoming exam. So, without any further ado, let's unravel the mysteries of fluvial landforms together. Question 1. What type of landform is the Grand Canyon? Is it A, a delta, B, a gorge, C, a plateau, or D, an estuary? Pause for a moment. The correct answer is B, a gorge. The Grand Canyon is a classic example of a gorge, a deep valley with steep sides often carved from the landscape by a river. Moving on to question 2. What is a floodplain? Is it A, the flat area around a river, B, the highest point in a valley, C, the area where a river meets the sea, or D, the bottom of a river? Give it a thought. The correct answer is A, the flat area around a river. A floodplain is an area of flat, low-lying land adjacent to a river, formed from sediments deposited by floods. Question 3. What is an oxbow lake? Is it A, a lake formed by a meandering river, B, a lake formed by a glacier, C, a lake formed by tectonic activity, or D, a man-made lake? Take your time. The correct answer is A, a lake formed by a meandering river. An oxbow lake is a U-shaped body of water that forms when a wide meander from the main stem of a river is cut off to create a lake. Let's proceed to question 4. What is a delta? Is it A, where a river flows into a lake, B, where a river flows into an ocean, C, where a river begins, or D, where two rivers meet? Ponder on it. The correct answer is B, where a river flows into an ocean. A delta is a landform that forms at the mouth of a river, where the river flows into a body of water, such as an ocean or a lake. Question 5. What is a levee? Is it A, a man-made dam, B, a natural dam, C, an embankment along a river, or D, a reservoir for storing water? Mull it over. The correct answer is C, an embankment along a river. Levees are naturally occurring ridges or artificially constructed embankments along the edges of a river. Halfway through, let's keep the momentum going. Question 6. What is a watershed? Is it A, the area of land where all of the water drains into a particular river, B, an artificial lake, C, the highest point in a valley, or D, the source of a river? Think it through. The correct answer is A, the area of land where all of the water drains into a particular river. A watershed is an area of land that separates waters flowing to different rivers, basins, or seas. Question 7. What is a tributary? Is it A, a river or stream flowing into a larger river or lake, B, a man-made canal, C, a small pond, or D, a waterfall? Reflect on it. The correct answer is A, a river or stream flowing into a larger river or lake. A tributary is a stream or river that flows into a main stem or parent river or a lake. Question 8. What is a meander? Is it A, a straight part of a river, B, a bend or curve in a river, C, the end of a river, or D, the beginning of a river? Contemplate. The correct answer is B, a bend or curve in a river. A meander is one of a series of regular sinuous curves, bends, loops, turns, or windings in the channel of a river, stream, or other watercourse. Question 9. What is a braided river? Is it A, a river with multiple channels, B, a river with no tributaries, C, a river that flows underground, or D, a river that flows in a straight line? Consider it. The correct answer is A, a river with multiple channels. A braided river is one that consists of a network of small channels separated by small and often temporary islands called braid bars, or in British usage, aites or aites. And finally, question 10. What is an alluvial fan? Is it A, a fan-shaped deposit of sediment, B, a type of underwater current, C, a type of wind that shapes the landscape, or D, a type of mountain range? Reflect on it. The correct answer is A, a fan-shaped deposit of sediment. An alluvial fan is a fan or cone-shaped deposit of sediment crossed and built up by streams. In this session, we've learned about the fascinating world of fluvial landforms, understanding how rivers shape our landscapes in myriad ways. From gorges to deltas, from levees to meanders, the power of water in shaping our world is truly incredible. Remember, every bit of knowledge brings you one step closer to acing the JKSSB exam. So stay curious, stay dedicated, and continue learning. Until next time, keep exploring.